the last chapter of Captain Awesome versus Nacho Cheese Man. Chapter 10, The Stink of Friendship. The next morning, Eugene and Charlie both woke with a start. Ow! Charlie, Mr. Drools is back. Eugene gasped and quickly reached under his pillow to make sure Super Dude number 429 was still there. I'm all cheesed up and ready to go. Charlie whipped out 2 cans of cheese and popped the tops. Zip, zip. In a flash, the boys pulled out their superhero outfits, and a moment later, Captain Awesome, Nacho Cheese Man, and Turbo in his plastic hamster ball, the Turbo Bill, climbed down the ladder to do battle with the droolicious Mr. Drools. They jumped off the ladder and onto the surface of the moon, only to be met by the shocking sounds of gibberish. Gar, gar, goo, gar, gar. Oh no, Nacho Cheese Man cried out, holding his canned cheese even tighter. It's Queen Stinky Pants. Eugene was about to unleash some awesome Captain Awesome awesomeness on his arch enemy, but then he remembered what his dad had said. I think she just wants to play with us. Fight evil with us, Captain Awesome said, just in time to stop Nacho Cheese Man from launching his 3 cheese attack. We can always use some extra hero power to defeat Mr. Drools. Queen Stinky Pants was going to help them. Nacho Cheese Man was confused for a second. Then he realized Super Dude's famous Rule 42. Sometimes evil teams up with goodness to fight a bigger evil. Maybe it was like that with Mr. Drools and Queen Stinky Pants. After all, the slobbering menace did gobble up the Queen's favorite stink doll just last week. Captain Awesome stuck out a hand to Queen Stinky Pants and asked, Do you want to help us? Go-hi, giggle, giggle. Queen Stinky Pants laughed with joy and she hugged Captain Awesome's leg. No hugging. Captain blushed and quickly unpeeled her. Ow! Come on, heroes, let's put Mr. Drools back in the doghouse. Captain Awesome called out and led the charge. There was a strange smile on Queen Stinky Pants' face as the 3 heroes rushed into battle. There was an even stranger smell coming from her diaper. Captain Awesome knew he might not be able to trust her forever, but at least on this day, they were 3 heroes fighting side by side against the dreaded Mr. Drools and his paws of destruction. And Eugene wouldn't have it any other way. Mighty! The end. All right, like I said, there's 2 more of this book, book number 3 and 4. So if you enjoyed this series, go check them out at your library over the summertime. Keep up with your reading, okay? Bye, guys.